Hi everyone, I'm sorry because of the time that I don't have any work and I don't upload any video because my country was really have wars and other problems and I can't create anything. So let's start again and see what we are going to create today. It's the first video I'm going to take after a while. I hope you like it. Okay, it's easy, just create a new slide. We need to create these things. For creating these things, we need this text. I'll copy just the text and paste it as a text as you see. What we do, it's really simple. We make it center, increase the size. But as you see, when you increase the size, you need to increase this size also. Increase it a little more. Now, bring it in the middle, line center, line middle. Okay, now we need to change the font to impact. Now, the another things we need to change this thing. So we go to format shape and here we set the fill to the background or no fill, both is good. But in the text option we set to no fill and text outline to solid, the color you want. We are going to go with black for some change and increase the width a little. Okay. Now we have it. Now format the background and make it black. But before doing that, we need to prepare these things. So for preparing them, we need to insert a text box that easily can do. And we write THE or other things you need. You need Overdrive Sunset as a font. And increase its size. Little by little to the size you want and make it bold. Okay, this size is enough for me. Hold Ctrl and create copy of it till it's create the shape you want. Okay, I'm good with that. Go. Then press Ctrl A and make them union. Now create 1, 2, 3 and 4 of them. Now recolor them to the color you want. For example, this color, this color, this color, and this one. No, this one is not good enough. Let's go with this one. Okay, we have them, but we need to bring this a little out and this a little in. Okay, now we copy this thing and paste it here. You see, this is the final result we are going to have, but you can sometimes give it some shadows if you want. It's up to you, but you see it's going to not change it a lot, but I told you it's completely up to you if you want to have it shadows or not. And after that we copy this slide and make the background black and apply it to all. Now here we bring them out. Now set the transition to morph and your slide is ready. I hope you like it. I'm going to put more videos from today and sorry for the absence and I'm going to make it to you. Have a nice